Now let's see about memory allocation in operating system. Memory allocation means allocating memory for a process. So that means how operating system stores process in the memory. Mainly there are two types of memory allocation approaches are available. The first one is contiguous memory allocation, whereas the second one is non-contiguous memory allocation. So we know what is contiguous. Contiguous means a collection, some adjacent memory locations, a block of memory locations. So in contiguous memory allocation, what will happen is a contiguous block of memory will be allocated for a process. Let name of the process is P1, where the size of a process is let it be some 5 MB. So that operating system has to allocate a single contiguous block of 5 MB for process P1. So let it be P1. So what is the size of that process? 5 MB. So this is nothing but 5 MB block. So this partition size is 5 MB. So operating system will stores the process P1 in this partition. So that is nothing but contiguous memory location. So we need to store the corresponding process in a contiguous block, a single block. Okay. There are two approaches for implementing contiguous memory allocation. The first approach is multi-programming with fixed partitions. Multi-programming with fixed size partitions. Multi-programming with fixed size partitions. Whereas the second approach is multi-programming with variable size partitions. Multi-programming with variable size partitions. So what is the first approach? Multi-programming with fixed size partitions. In short, we can call as MFT. So M stands for multi-programming, F stands for fixed size, whereas T stands for tasks. So tasks are nothing but some processes or some partitions. Whereas what is the second approach? Multi-programming with variable size partitions. So in short, we can call as MVT. So M stands for multi-programming, V stands for variable size, whereas T stands for some tasks. Okay. And the second approach is non-contiguous memory allocation. The best examples for non-contiguous memory locations are pacing and segmentation. So here non-contiguous means whenever there is a free space, then we can store the process in that free space. So let the size of process name is P2, whereas the size of a process is 5 MB. So let we have 1 MB free space here. Let we have 3 MB free space here. Let we have 1 MB free space here. So we can store process P2 in this 1 MB, in this partition, whereas in this partition. So what is the size of P2? 5 MB. So here, so this is 1 MB, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So this is nothing but non-contiguous memory locations. So the memory locations need not be contiguous. So wherever there is a free space, then the operating system allocates that free space to the corresponding process. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss multi-programming with fixed size partitions, multi-programming with variable size partitions, pacing as well as segmentation.